All right, so Ivanyeli is helping me cook. I'm going to show them. And Dina, I'm going to show them how my sisters and my mother cook. And we're doing chicken with rice and beans, where we start with a base of olive oil, garlic. And those are the things that grow in Southern Europe, of course in other parts of the world, but the olive oil is very Greek, Portuguese, Spanish, Italian, and French. I think some Arab countries too. Okay, so I'm warming up my olive oil, and then Ivanyeli cut the onion and garlic, and we're gonna start to saute. I don't like to cook with plastic. I like a wooden spoon, and if not wooden, then metal. But we are in an Airbnb, and we're not home. So what you want to do, it's starting to smell delicious already, and we haven't even started to saute and reduce the onion and garlic, but it's just so delicious. So my two helpers are here from Planeta, Rica, Colombia, and we are at this beautiful Airbnb. Me abres, por favor. Me abres. Gracias. Here we are. We're in Cartagena. There's a Hilton there. Beautiful Cartagena. These are the islands, the bay, the ocean's on this side. Please click right here on the subscribe button, and to the left is a bell. Click on the bell. It will notify you the next time I've uploaded a video. Thank you so much for watching. Aloha. See how our reduction is going. Really nice young girls here. They cleaned the whole apartment this morning. And welcome to Cooking with Tony. We're reducing our onion and garlic reduction. All right, so it is time now to add the chicken. Now the problem with the chicken is that it's frozen, and we're trying to defrost it. It was in the fridge. The fridge is very, very strong. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the chicken. I'm gonna brown it a little bit. And the pot's kind of small. I wanna brown the chicken a little bit. Now, that chicken is supposed to be loose. The problem is that it's frozen. And I think what's going to happen is that the chicken is frozen. So I think what's going to happen is the garlic and the onion is going to burn, because I'm trying to get that chicken to defrost in the pot. So let me see if I can move it around a little bit to get it to unfreeze. I'm going to try to see on very low heat without burning the garlic and the onion if I can get the chicken to unfreeze. So that was really bad. All right, so what I did is I cut the frozen chicken with a knife, and then what I want is to get that garlic that's on the bottom, the oil, the garlic, and the onion, the base, all around it, so that it's coating all the chicken. And I don't want that base to burn. Okay, we're back to Cooking with Tony. We've got the chicken separated. It was so frozen. And now what we're going to do is, we should have done this earlier, is add salt, pepper, maybe a little bit of oregano, and we're going to put the base. Okay. All right, so we're going to add, Ivanyeli is going to add some salt. As you see, the chicken is separated. poner vuelta. Está bien. Good. Okay, that's the salt. Ahora la pimienta. And we'll do some pepper. Un poco de oregano. Usually I don't put oregano in this dish, but since we have it here from prior cooking, poquito. Okay. Quizás un poquito más, ¿no? Okay. And now we're gonna add the tomato. It's supposed to be a can of tomato paste, but I don't have the tomato paste. They don't sell it here, so I found this, which is marinara sauce. I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there. You see how that comes out. We want it pink, so we get a nice garlic, tomato, onion seasoning. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. The paste in the can is small, but the paste is very dense. And so, because it's small and it's dense, it does provide a lot of. Okay, we're gonna let that cook. We're gonna let that cook and then maybe take a little taste test to see if the salt is enough. And then the next step is the rice. What we're gonna do is we're gonna wash rice. Vamos a lavar el arroz, nuestros arroz. Right, Ivanyeli is washing the rice, and then we're gonna cook the rice with the chicken, and then at the end we're gonna add beans. I like the red kidney bean, which is loaded with fiber, anti-cholesterol, really good. This is Antioqueña bean, which Antioquia is the state here in Medellin, but it has a sauce in its own. So I've washed the sauce out. I don't want a Antioqueña Colombian dish. I want a Portuguese dish. All right, we're ready to add the rice and water. Okay, échale el arroz. Okay, mezcla. It's coming along really, really good. We're gonna add some water. Yeah, mezcla. All right, for this, it's for 5 people. So there's 2 more girls here, and we want a bigger pot. But this Airbnb, this is the biggest pot I found. Bueno. El sal hace diabéticos. Y el azúcar te da cáncer. It's actually perfect.
Después se le echa la manchada.
En el último, porque ya están cocidos. And last, we will add the beans, which are pre-cooked. Okay, Ivanyeli is going to check. Okay, ábrelo. Mezcla. Sí, está, ¿no? I think it's burning up. Yo pienso que el sal está perfecto.
Sí, está bien.
Si está tojando por abajo, lo voy a subir. So it's a little toasty on the bottom. Okay. So the next step would be to add the beans. Oh my God. I think it needs to sit. I think it needs to sit a little bit. Yeah, so let's leave it sitting there, and in about 20 minutes we can start eating. All right, I think we're ready to eat. It is a little bit thick. Probably needed a little bit of water, but oh well. I'm gonna eat out of the bowl. Where's the spoon? Está un poco seco. Pienso que necesitaba un poquito de agua. ¿Más? ¿Más un poco? ¿Y tú, Dani? Sí. Oh my God. Necesita más agua, ¿no? I'm gonna make a michelada. ¿Quieren michelada? Ya tienen. ¿Michelada? No. ¿Tres micheladas? All right, the girls want michelada. Una. Questa?
Sì, molto.
It's so refreshing mixing beer with lime. Yum, yum, yum. That's gonna be delicious. Está seco. Necesitaba más agua.
Sì.
Pero está rico, ¿no?
Sì.
And delicious. Hey, it's Tony. Thank you for watching my videos. If you could please subscribe, hit the button down below, and also the thumbs up. And that's the like, by the way. And then if you could write me a comment, that would be great. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, where in the world you like me to go and film. And also, if you could click on the bell notifies you, gives you notification next time I have uploaded a video and something for you new to see. Thank you so much for watching. Aloha.